doing for you here is just a kind of vague kind of.
Paper's good.
There's on the back as well. So this says check for motion.
Ew, it's so humid.
It's all limp, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
So have a little look. James, can you even see the thing?
Oh, this is really good practice. Wow.
I don't want to go to med school now. Oh, they're good.
Cut through it.
Oh, there's
Cut
a
through
hole.
this. So
How nice.
up here, all this is all connected. So if you give that a little snip.
Oh.
Alright, so you're separating.
Okay. What's that? Is that fat?
Well, this is skin,
Right.
and this is fat. You can see the tough kind of
What's this?
white stuff. This layer underneath,
Why is there a hole?
because James has cut
Yeah.
through.
Oh.
This layer beneath the skin and beneath the fat and above the muscle is just a connective tissue that keeps everything kind of enclosed and tight and allows skin and muscle to slide against one another and muscle and muscle to slide next to one another.
Let's cut it.
It's a connective tissue called fascia.
Fascia.
Believe it. Okay. So you can see this is actually you can pair it from the muscle.
Oh,
so look,
wow. It's really tight.
yeah,
And that's called a fascia?
fascia.
Mr. Davidson?
Yeah.
Is this like 10 minutes so thick?
If
But
it's
it's not
very,
raw.